people here can't stop applauding. And it's really, really heartbreaking to see how many of our colleagues in the entertainment industry had left us in just a span of a year.
Totoo yan, Robbie. Parang kailan lang. Doon mo yung gagamitin yung salita nun. Parang kailan lang andyan sila. Pero nakapag-iwan naman sila ng kanilang mga legacy.
That's true. And to some of us, they are not just names, but they are real people, real friends.
Family.
Na nagbigay ng magandang marka sa ating industriya.
Totoo yan, Robbie. Pero kung isipin mo, sila ang naging inspirasyon nating lahat dahil sa laki ng kanilang ambag sa pelikula at telebisyon. Kaya naman, naging tradisyon na rin ng PMPC na bigyan ng bahagi ang kanilang mga alaala tuwing Star Awards.
And if you have noticed, ang huling litrato sa video ay si Manay Ethel Ramos na naging former PMPC President na kilalang talent manager at tinaguriang Dean of Entertainment Press.
That's correct. And this first special award for the evening is dedicated to her name, the Ethel Ramos Dean's Lister Award. Unang makakatanggap ng award na ito ay isa ring kilalang entertainment writer.
Ladies and gentlemen, PMPC is proud to give the first ever special award for the Ethel Ramos Dean's Lister to Mr. Ronald Constantino.
Accepting the award for Ronald Constantino is an equally prominent veteran journalist and well-known author of Philippines' finest literatures and poetry. A good friend of the awardee, Mr. Nestor Cuartero. Presenting the trophy for the PMPC are PMPC past presidents Fernando Guzman, Roldan Castro, Mel Vallanera, Julie Bonifacio, and Romel Gonzalez, together with Ms. Farah Ramos, representing the family of Manay Ethel.
Good evening po. I am Nestor Cuartero. I am very happy to receive this award on behalf of a very good friend and my former columnist in Tempo, Mr. Ronald K. Constantino. I am also very honored to present this award, to accept this award in honor of Ms. Ethel Ramos, who is considered an institution in entertainment journalism in the Philippines. Ronald has sent me a message that I would like to share with you. It's a short message that he says, "Thank you, Philippine Movie Press Club, for this award, named in memory of our beloved Ethel Ramos, Dean of Entertainment Journalists. Ethel and I served as PMPC President in different years. No? We shared wonderful and challenging moments together. To PMPC officers and members led by President Rodel Fernando, again, thanks from the bottom of my heart. I will treasure this award forever." That's Ronald. Thank you very much, PMPC.
Congratulations once again. And ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give Manay Ethel a big round of applause. I'm sure she has the best seat in the house, and she is beaming with joy right now. And congratulations once again to Mr. Ronald Constantino. Both Sirs Nestor Cuartero and Ronald Constantino are inspiration and mentors to the young writers who want to make it big in this industry, especially in journalism. Which brings us to our next categories.
Yun, sakto. Hindi talaga pinalagpas ng PMPC ang galing ng lahat ng uri ng ating mga filmmakers. Alam natin may indie at may mainstream. Pero gusto rin nilang bigyan ng pagkakataong makilala ang mga short film directors and short filmmakers. Kaya naman, narito ang mahuhusay na short film directors, tawag.
For Short Movie Director of the Year, LJ Castro Deldoc and Drew Espinosilla, Fish Be With